Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing and draining the cans to remove metallic packing flavor. This immediately cleans the base. Once done, heat 1 tablespoon oil and sauté half a chopped onion and 2 crushed garlic cloves until translucent to build a savory layer. Add the rinsed beans with about 1/2 cup broth so they sit in liquid but won't dilute flavor. Stir to combine and bring to a gentle simmer. This is how the pan flavors the beans from the inside out. You now deepen flavor and create the right texture. Simmer gently for 8 to 12 minutes so proteins relax and liquids concentrate. While simmering, press about 25 to 50% of the beans with a spoon to release starch and thicken the sauce. This balances creaminess with whole bean bite. Stir in a teaspoon cumin and half a teaspoon smoked paprika to layer warmth, and finish with a tablespoon of butter or oil so the mouthfeel turns luxuriously smooth. You finish by brightening and balancing. Add acid last, 1 teaspoon lemon juice or 1 tablespoon vinegar to lift the whole dish without breaking textures, and then adjust salt carefully. Once seasoned, fold in fresh herbs or scallions and drizzle good olive oil for sheen and aroma. If things go wrong, here's a quick fix. If the beans are too salty, add a peeled raw potato to simmer 5 minutes to absorb salt or dilute with a splash of water, then reseason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.